prayers Ukraine at this time, everything that's going on with Russia and everything. So I'm going to do just a moment of silence and a prayer of the heart. Okay. All right, guys. Praying for them. All right. I don't want to start crying because I will. Okay. So hi guys, TerrenceMackeyEats here, back with another video, back with another Muckbang. Welcome to the cookout where you are always invited to the cookout. Look, I always want to sing in the beginning of videos. I think it's because I'm so excited about this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And so, without further ado, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. Also, hit that notification button so you can know when my videos come up. Without further ado, let's get to the main star besides myself of the cookout. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. If you saw by the thumbnail, yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, yes, God. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh, let me get closer. Look, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to eat this, guys. I'm sorry about the glare. I have the window kind of open just a little bit. Hope it's not too distracting. But yes, so this is from a LA restaurant that I think is so dope. I've tried it when I first moved here, and it's quite enjoyable. One of the good restaurants that I have here in LA. This is called DirtDog. And this is my beautiful co-host, by the way. Can't forget my co-host. This is pink lemonade mixed with Sprite. And if you're ever in the southern Los Angeles area, this is DirtDog, and this is located by the USC, which is University of Southern California. And it is made for LA. So it's just a really cool place where they make hot dogs, okay? So they also have a place in Vegas, Los Angeles, and I believe another place. But you can follow their Instagram and all that good stuff if you guys want to see. And I'll tag that, put it in my description box so you guys can look it up and see all the photos. And if you're ever in town, you guys can try this for yourself. But it's so good. So today I have deep fried Oreos. Oh, I'm so excited. Deep fried Oreos, which I enjoy every time I go. We also have the patty melt. Okay, this is just a regular patty melt, and all of these are on lobster buns. You can get it on regular brioche, or you can get it on lobster buns. I like them on lobster buns. The brioche is fine too. It is additional for the lobster buns, but I think it's worth it. We also have the dirty corn with the Flamin' Hot and Taki seasoning, y'all. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, get a close up. Got a lime in there. And this is like, these flavors are like traditional LA flavors, like the elote corn. But they made it into hot dogs, which is obviously not native to California. Well, it's a hot dog, but it's not like their biggest thing. You know, they're known for tacos and things of that nature. And then we have the flamethrower dog by Exhibit. Exhibit designed this hot dog. And it's with the lobster roll, and I got the Taki and Flamin' Hots in this one as well. And they got a nice yellow pepper in there. There could be a habanero, I don't know. But look at that, y'all. I'm so excited. So today I'm going to start my question of the day, or discussion of the day, however we want to do it. So today I'm going to answer, and then I'm going to get into the food, okay? So the question of the day is, if you could choose one food to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be? What would it be? If you could choose one food, I'm going to answer, and then I'll let you guys answer in the comments. Mine would probably be pizza. Pizza is like my favorite food in the world. I'm from Chicago, so we eat a lot of pizza. Deep dish and regular. Obviously, deep dish is for more of a special occasion type of thing, but it's like what makes Chicago deep dish. But we actually have a regular pizza, which is equally delicious, which is just a regular thin crust, but it's so cheesy and delicious and full of flavor. So we have some of the, I think, the best pizza in the world. Yeah, so if you're from New York, we can debate in the comments. Like, let's go. Alright, so mine would be pizza. I feel like it can have all of the nutritional value. Look, it has the you can do vegetables on it. You get the good calcium for the cheese that you can do. You get bread, which is filling. You also can do fruit on it, so people with pineapple. So you can do vitamin C. Like, it has the whole chart. Okay, you can put anything on a pizza. And so I'm so excited to try this, guys. But that is my question of the day answer. If you could choose one food to eat for the rest of your life, and I don't want to see 2 answers, 3 answers, 4 answers, 5 answers, or you can't choose. You gotta play the game, y'all. Be a good sport. Be a good sport, okay? What food could you eat for the rest of your life? Think about it now. This is harder than it looks, or it seems, or sees. All right, y'all. I'm 6 minutes in. I'm so sorry. Let's get into the video. I'm not gonna be talking much. I'm just gonna be enjoying this meal. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna just start with the dessert, just like my mom do. So the deep fried Oreo. Not fresh because I had to bring it home, but I like it either way. Look at that. A little powdered sugar on the top. Mmm. It's so good. If y'all go, deep fried Oreo. Name and subscribe. I don't know where to start. I'm so excited. I feel like I really want to start here. I don't know what they have on it, but this one has like vegetables like onions, and I don't know what this pepper is, but I'm so nervous. It's all charbroiled. Okay, it's not a hot pepper, guys. It is a hot pepper. Oh Lord, I lied. Y'all, I think that's a habanero. But this has steak and onions and green peppers and cilantro and all the good stuff. And of course, it's a hot dog in there. Let's go. It's so good. The bread is really sweet. Which is a beautiful balance from the salty steak, onions, hot dog. It's in my shirt. It's so messed up. It's so good. I literally have flaming hots everywhere. Steak. Good too. What's wrong? I'm gonna have to vacuum. Look at that. Look at that. I was so hungry, y'all. I haven't eaten since 1 o'clock yesterday. It's 3 o'clock today. Yeah. Delish. Anybody know I love me some Flamin' Hots. Love me some Flamin' Hots. Okay. I'm going with the corn. Little lime. Good. Ooh, the Flamin' Hots. Bacon, mayo, Parmesan. Like heaven. Ooh, excuse me. Yo, that is good. Look at this. My little rabbity trying to get in. Okay. Another thing that they have there, they also have like a Snoop Dogg and all that good stuff. So when you go, you can just play around. These are not the only three stuff. They have the corn in the cup there. They have kid meals with corn dogs. They got a lot of stuff. Alright, let's get into the patty melt. This is French fries on here, guys. The onions just fell. There's no onions on here. I want whatever comes on a patty melt is on here. So I don't know if it's chili or nothing on here. Okay, here we go. This lobster bun smells so good. Like, look how I like my when they do the brioche and stuff bun. I like them like you know it's good when it's spongy and it's not too overcooked. The French fries, melted cheese, I'm gonna leave those onions on there. See how it tastes together. Wow. That's all I can say. All I can say is, yeah, 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 yeah. Y'all know I don't play by my Beyonce now. So if I had to choose, this is my favorite. Exhibit did his thing with this one. I like this one too, but I don't need potato. So a lady or a woman may like this because, you know, y'all addicted to them potatoes now. Let me finish this. I don't want to hold y'all too long. Here we go. My God, my God. Them deep fried Oreos and this flamethrower dog. I don't know how long this is gonna last on the menu, but it's a hit to me. I literally got flaming hots everywhere. I got flaming hots everywhere. I'm gonna still eat. I'm gonna give it another minute or so because I'm already at 20 minutes and I don't want to be overkill. You can't even see because look at that. And they put some type of sauce under here. It's kind of sweet. I don't know. Really good. I really don't want me to eat this with that. To bring on some of the spice. Okay. Alright guys. It's not all I can do, but I'm gonna let y'all go. My face. 20 minutes go by really fast, guys, especially when you're having fun. This is the point at the cookout when your mama say, I said let's go, put on your shoes, you can't stay. That's the point. You want to keep eating. If you don't like hot stuff, guys, don't eat this. This will suck a hot. And it's my favorite color. So it's caliente. Eat this. Alright guys. That was it of the mukbang. We made it out the cookout, guys. We got a little bit more to go, but this is when mama cleaning up her house. Everybody about to start to get their kids and get on up out of here. Okay, this is that time. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this later. Probably gonna save it and eat it for dinner. As I get hungry because this is the last day that I can eat this. It's my only cheat day. These Flamin' Hots, they sell Takis, I think, in here, and Flamin' Hots. So good. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. Also, don't forget to follow all of my social media handles in my description box. I'll put the links there so you can get directly to my page. When you follow me, come under any comment anything on my story, anything, say, hey, I found you on YouTube, so I can follow you back and we can start to connect. Okay? As long as you're not a bot or a droid, of course, because I don't want to be wasting my follows. Okay? But if you're a real person and you're enjoying my videos, let me know that you got here from my YouTube channel. Maybe we can bring up an emoji or something that we can do to, like, let you know, I found you on YouTube, so I can know. Okay? Alright, guys. Also, don't forget that word of the day. The question of the day. If you could eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? Okay? I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to edit this video and it'll be out before the weekend is up. Happy Black History Month. But even though it's Black History every single day, not just in February. Alright? We always Black History, honey. We are here. We've been here and we made it here. We made this. Alright? Alright. I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in my next video.